I just wanted to welcome everybody to Saskatchewan Foster Families Week. We are having several events across our province to honor the foster families and the children that are in the foster care system. We're certainly looking forward to multiple opportunities to be able to recruit new foster families. There is always a need within Saskatchewan for foster families. I want to thank the foster families that have participated in the foster family program over the years. Certainly thank you to you for opening up your home, for allowing me to come and tour this beautiful home that you have here. I was able to go and see some of the kids' rooms, and kids are kids. It looks like they're always very busy, very active, but you certainly have a beautiful home here to be able to take care of multiple children that have some very complex needs. And I think people need to understand that there is no specific foster child, that there is a range of foster childs from all over the province and all ranging in different needs. And each kid is very unique, but we're very grateful that you have been doing this for certainly for a very long time, up to 13 years. You've customized and built your house and your home and your lives. So I just, in this Foster Families Week, could you tell me about some of your experiences with the children and with the Foster Families Association and with social services? I'd be more than happy to hear your feedback.
Okay, these kids came to us like when they were so young. Some of them were really young and some were really, really sick or really in very fragile situation. But now it was like a great accomplishment for us. It was like very rewarding to see these kids, how much they've grown and how their health improved a lot. We tried to help them and try to give them the love and the care that they needed. So yeah, this kind of the kids here are like all been with us forever, and we took care of them and we love them as much as we can.
We're grateful to hear that the support from social services is there and from Foster Families Association and the education system. And I just wanted to comment that it was beautiful coming up to your home, because nobody in the community would know that this was a foster family home. This is a home just on the street, just like everybody else's. And I think people need to be aware of that this is very much a community wrapping themselves around these children that need a lot of support on the physical side, on the mental side, but certainly on the loving side. And I can see that you've obviously opened your heart and your home to this community, and the community has also welcomed you. So I wanted to say thank you very much for that. And I'm wondering if you could tell me some of the positive experiences that you've had with fostering, some of the great stories with maybe one of the specific kids.
Now that they've been with us for a couple of years, they go to good school, and then they know how to talk. Because before, some of them, they could hardly talk.
Yeah.
And now they could talk, they could joke around and be part of the family. And for me, that's very special. And also one of our children who is, like for example, taking piano lesson, he could play piano so well. And for me, that is a very remarkable thing that we are experiencing.
If anybody's thinking about being a foster parent, what advice would you provide for them?
Well, first of all, they have to ask themselves if they love kids. And aside from, this type of things like commitment, you should have to know if you have the time. Plus, you have the right spirit in doing this. Plus, you have the energy in taking care of most vulnerable children in our society. Plus, you have to think not only for yourself or for your family, the biological family I'm talking about here, the so-called blended or extended family, one's foster children already in your home. This is a good opportunity for you. And I would say this type of thing that we are doing, this is from the heart, and Ministry of Social Services is also trying its best to be a ministry with a heart.
I just want to say thank you on behalf of certainly the Ministry of Social Services, Foster Families Association, and more than anything on behalf of the families in the community. So thank you for what you've been doing for the last 13 years. And we really appreciate that the love and the compassion that you've shown to Saskatchewan's most vulnerable.
You're very welcome.
You.